Hi, I'm Ilene the Lice Queen, and I'm with the Center for Lice Control. And you found out your child has lice, it's no big deal. We're gonna get this taken care of quickly. We have our Lice Attack Solution, and we have one of these two combs, the nit-free Terminator combs. We're gonna get this taken care of really quickly. Short hair is a little different than long hair, so we're gonna show you how to get this person treated and taken care of really quickly.
Applying the Lice Attack Solution to dry hair, starting with a circle the size of a quarter at the center of the crown. Make a circle every ½ inch to ensure the entire scalp gets saturated. Keep applying the Lice Attack Solution to the scalp until the entire scalp is saturated. Massage it through with your fingers and check for any dry spots. Add solution as needed. Take a regular comb and comb the Lice Attack Solution through the hair to help spread it further. Allow the solution to sit for 5 minutes. Then, follow the comb-out instructions for your first treatment and follow washout instructions for follow-up.